Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to delete all Facebook friends in one click. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next in the future. So let's start today's video without any further ado. So before starting this video, I'm gonna make it clear, like, Facebook doesn't gives you a button like by pressing on it you can just unfriend every single person, but there is a method by which you can unfriend all of your friends and makes it easier. So let me show you the process. Click on the three line which is at the top right corner. Now click on find friends. After clicking on find friends, you can click on all friends, which is right beside request. So these are all the friends I have right now. So to unfriend somebody, there is no button over here which says like click on it to unfriend every person. You just have to individually click on it, like individually click on these three dot which is at the side. As you guys can see, if I want to unfriend him, I can just click on the three dot and click on unfriend. If I want to unfriend another person, I can just click on these three dot and unfriend. So yeah, I can just individually unfriend every single person like this. So yeah, that's basically how you delete all Facebook friends in one click. I can't say one click, but yeah, it is, kind of way. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.